Tom Barkin, CNBC senior economics correspondent Steve Liesman has the headlines for us. What's he saying, Steve?
Hey, Scott, just a warning before I give you these headlines. If you're looking for a Fed official whose hair is on fire, who's itching to cut rates right now, you got the wrong guy. Federal Reserve Richmond President Tom Barkin, cool as a cucumber, saying there's a narrow path right now. Risks are on the table for both sides of the dual mandate, both inflation and the employment side. He says the economy is healthy. There's time to figure out if this is a normalizing economy that will allow you to normalize rates over time. He goes on to say it doesn't work to lean too far in one direction and then have to overcorrect in the other. So he's going to take his time. He says we're closing in on normal numbers for inflation and unemployment. It makes sense to me, he says, to take the time and see what we learn over the next seven weeks between meetings, kind of foreclosing the idea that some people were crazy about earlier this month or this week about an emergency cut. He said firms has decided to cut back on hiring, but his contacts say he's not hearing about firing. Job growth has settled down, but the economy is still adding jobs. He made headlines on Friday, you'll remember, when he said, hey, 114,000, that's not too bad, even while the market freaked out about it. Consumers, he said, are still spending, but they are choosing to do things like trading down. So, Scott, I'll leave it there. I was still listening to him. I'll come back if there's any more headlines, but he is decidedly a cool cucumber when it comes to cutting rates.
Can I just ask you quickly, just because the headlines that you gave where you started off and he talks about the risks being on both sides and clearly still focusing on the inflation picture, it sounds a little offsides to what we heard from the Fed chair last Wednesday. Even incrementally, maybe they're in a little bit of a different place. Am I reading that wrong? How would you assess that?
You could read it that way, Scott. I read it a little bit more in line with what Powell was saying, but a little bit more cautious in the sense that, hey, I'm looking at this. I think we could make a case to cut, but I want to be darn sure it's the right case. That's the way I hear Barkin. It's also because I know Barkin a little bit and how he talks, and I know how cautious he is. I know how he has his ear to businesses and keeps talking to them. So he's probably going to be in line. He's a voter this year with a Fed that wants to cut. But he's not out there saying, look, it's so obvious. I still got a half a point problem on inflation, so we still need to be heading down. And I think it's important to read that comment where he says we want to make sure we don't go one way and then have to overcorrect the other way. That's a concern on the mind of other Fed officials as well.
Yeah. All right. That's good insight. I appreciate that, Steve Liesman. Thank you.